Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the message preview in Yahoo Mail, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, we need to open the Yahoo Mail app, and here we have to tap on the three-line button on the top left. This opens the main panel, and here we have to tap on the settings option. This opens all the settings. We have to check the message list settings, and here the second option will be the message preview. Let's tap on it, and here we can see there are 5 different options: no avatars, no preview, one-line preview, two-line preview, and three-line preview. For example, let's check out the three-line preview and get back to the messages. Right now we have to update this by swiping down, and we can see the messages are shown with 3 lines. So that's pretty much for it. See you in the next one. Bye.